spent the whole weekend in the house. It's been raining. It stopped for a little while, so we came outside, and now it started again. Mr. Henry is going to have to go into the bath. What? What about, oh, thanks. Come here. Is it raining? Is it raining hard? Like a lot of rain, huh? Do you like it? Hey, Henry. No, don't go out there. You're gonna have to take a bath. You know that, right? Henry bath. Hey, hey. I don't know why my porch is such a mess. I need to clean it up. Next video I'm going to do is going to be it cleaned up. We're waiting for him to appear back into the picture here. Here he comes, here he comes. Henry, come here. I have something for you. Make a basket really quick. Okay, good job. Come here. Come here, diaper boy. Can I have one more little talk with you, please? 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 Nice kick. Nice kick. Don't go in the rain, honey, no, please. Don't go in the rain. Oh, honey, it's raining so hard right now. Don't go out there. Say bye-bye.